everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters1Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Juicy Wamadiva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is watercolor. Next week's theme, I'll have it pop across the screen, maybe up here, down here or up there. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmon Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. I'll have their links down below. So this week we had watercolor, and I struggled at first. I was just like, I'm not going to do watercolor. I was going to get some watercolor paper, but then I got to thinking watercolor can be pretty simple. And oh my gosh, was it not simple? Oh my gosh, I will do that again, definitely, using watercolor. But anyways, this is what I had in my stash, and I used this color right here. I'm also using the Bombay Black India ink. And Cottage Cuts, I'm using the Nested Wacky Stitched Rectangle set. And then from Spellbinders, Love Never Fails, and I'm using Send in Prayers. And this is the flower I chose to use, which is the Fresh Cut Floral Stem, if you'd like to pick that up. I love this flower, so pretty. And here goes my card. I needed a sympathy card, and with that watercolor, I was thinking a soft background is what I needed, and then I opted to do the flower in very light, like ivory color, ivory white, and then a little bit of peach on that. A darker green stem would really pop on that, and so that's what I chose. And then I got the Sending Prayers, and I added a few little of my Creative Time gems, and I forgot to put that on there, but those are those 2mm gems. And then I thought that turned out really pretty. And then there goes the inside, so I'll be able to sign on there. Just gorgeous. I love how that looks, and I will definitely do the watercolor again and not be so afraid to do it. But anyways, that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.